can use the waste of soil to make some compost.
And then do you sell the compost?
Yes.
Okay.
The weekends mixed with other waste of agriculture.
Okay, so you mix it with other
Waste of
other vegetables. Where do you get the other vegetables from?
From food markets, something like that.
Okay.
Okay.
So they bring them over, or you have to get them?
They bring up over. We get money from them.
Ah, okay.
Also, we process the waste.
Okay.
Waste of vegetable.
Vegetable waste.
Vegetable waste. Here we can mix the waste of soil and make a compost.
So this is a lot of cabbage here.
Cabbage here.
Cabbage and carrots.
Okay. And mix it.
And this right here is already processed?
Yes, it's processed. And then put into the layer.
Yeah.
And then mix with the machine. So depend on the weight, for 1 month or 15 days. Mix it together with the steel rod and then put into the layer. And then
Okay.
mix with the machine. Put into the layer. Is mixed with
Okay.
this machine.
Okay, so this is a giant mixer.
Okay.
And that is already
This
finished.
is the transfer the waste of soil and then go there
Uh-huh.
to come out further.
Ah, okay. What about this right here? What's
This is the last process.
the very last process? This is yours already, final product?
Okay. Through the rail
Yeah.
and come out there and it's wow as a product. Compost.
So this could be used in a garden or in flowers.
Flowers, agriculture.
And who buys it? Like Home
The
Plus?
farmer.
Oh, farmers buy this.
Farmers.
So they put it onto their fields.
Okay. In the past, we usually sold the waste of soil to the other product, but nowadays we produce the waste of soil mixed with other cabbage waste, and then produce the product and sell it.
So this is what you would call a value-added product. You're basically adding value to something that was going to be waste, and now you made another product out of
Okay,
it.
that's right. Actually, start friend is all kind of process, and then government funders to build this kind of.
So you planned this value-added,
Okay.
like fertilizer.
Okay.
You got the idea, you drew up the plans, and then you got a government grant to set it up.
Okay, that's right. Growing the rice, something like that with this fertilizer.
How long will it take to grow this rice? 2 months?
This one?
Yeah,
Not 2 months. Almost 3 months.
3 months. How long will it stay in the water like this?
3 months.
3 months it'll be in water?
Okay.
Okay.
3 months in water, and the August we harvest it.
How many kilos of rice can grow here
I don't know
in this
what
field?
it's about, I think.
Maybe.
5 ton?
5 tons.
No. 0.5 ton.
Half a ton.
Half ton.
Half a ton of rice. This could feed a family of 4 for a year easily, right?
That's right. Less of things though we sell it.
So Song, how come these mushrooms, I never see them at the supermarkets?
Okay.
Who buys them?
This mushroom is especially for the elder people. This mushroom is good for health. So elder people is the one to buy it.
So where can people buy this then?
Usually retailers to buy it from us and sell it to customer,
Okay.
not to big market.
Okay. How much for 1 kilo is the selling price?
Selling price 1 kilo. Depend on season. Is 15,000 something.
15,000. So it'd be-
10,000, 15,000.
okay, 10 to 50. So $10 to $15 Canadian per kilo.
Okay.
Okay. How long have you been working on this mushroom thing?
We are working for growing mushroom for 30 years, but this kind of mushrooms we growing for 5 years.
Okay, so your family has been in this for the last 30 years,
Okay.
but the particular mushrooms that we saw today, you have been growing for the last 5 years.
Okay, that's right.
Okay. And is your market only Korea or do you export also?
This mushroom is only Korean.
Only in Korea. Okay, well, maybe we'll see them export it to Canada sometime.
I hope so.